You are welcome to Global Learners Solution. Please share, like, subscribe, and comment. Today we are taking modular simplification. Example. Simplify the following. 1. Let me take A. 5 modulo 3. B. 23 modulo 4. What do you mean to simplify? You have to reduce this in such a way that the remainder is less than the modulo. Let's take solution of these two questions. The A, 5 modulo 3. The mod here refers to that the modular, or say modulo. So 5 modulo 3, 3 goes into 5. How many times? 1 time. Remainder 2. So you can now say 3 times 1 plus the remainder, and then the modulo, which is modulo 3. So the answer remains the remainder, which is 2 modulo 3. That's all. Very, very simple. Now let's take the second one. 23 modulo 4. Modulo 4. What do you have? 4 goes into 23. How many times? You go 5 times. That is 4 times 5, giving us 20. So you can now add here that 4 times 5. Then the remainder will be 3. That's 3. Then the modulo, which is 4. So the answer remains the remainder with the modulo. So the answer becomes 3 modulo 4. Do you take that? So let's move on to another example. I think this okay. Look at what do we say? We said that 5 modulo 3, giving us what you reduce. 3 goes into 5. How many times? 1 time. And then plus the remainder here, which is 2 modulo. So the answer remains the remainder. And then 23 modulo 4, that is 4 goes into 23. How many times? It goes 5 times. That is 4 times 5, giving us 20. And then what will you add to 20 to give 23? That is 3. And then the modulo. So the answer remains 3 modulo 4. Now assuming here is minus 15. Let me say minus 15 modulo 3. And then let me take another one. Maybe 70 modulo 8. Let's see what we can do about it. Now the A part, that is minus 15 modulo 3. What are we going to get? Now 3 goes into 15. What you are supposed to do at this point is that continue to add 3. Okay, to the point that you have positive value. This like a long method. I can say, well, minus 15. If you add plus 3, if you add 3, that remains what? That remains minus 12. And then plus another 3, that remains minus 12, that's 9. And then you add 3 again. That is 3, 9. That remains minus 6. If you add 3 again, that is minus 3. If you add 3 again, that remains what? 0. That means the answer now is 0 modulo 3. How that get 0? We are looking for a way that the minus turns to positive. You can now say, indirectly, you can say 3 times 5. Okay, that's the minus 15 plus 3 times 5 modulo 3. That gives us minus 15 plus 15 modulo 3. So minus 15 plus 15 giving us positive value, which is what? 0 modulo 3. For better understanding, let me take this to another modulo. Let me say modulo 4. What am I going to do? I will continue to add 4, okay, to that minus 15 till when you have positive value. Then I can have plus 4 giving us minus 11, plus 4 giving us minus 7, plus 4 giving us minus 3, and then plus 4 giving us positive 1. So this will be the answer. That means we now have indirectly, we can say that minus 15 plus what? 4 times 4. Okay, we are looking for a way that we get a positive value. So minus 15 plus 4 by 4 modulo modulo 4. That gives us minus 15 plus 16 modulo 4. Minus 15 plus 16, what's the answer? That gives us 1 modulo 4. So if you look at these two methods, either you follow addition method or you take this. This one is a very long method. You can use this. Okay. So we are looking for a way to change the negative to positive. You continue to add the value of 4, or it depends on the module, till when you have the nearest positive value. Is that okay? I think with this, very, very simple. Okay, let's move on to modular addition. We did this just a little introduction to modular. Thank you very much. Watch out for modular addition. God bless you.